Hello everyone, welcome to INS Creations Ltd, where creativity meets professionalism. In today's video, I am going to show you how to design a stunning roll-up banner that's perfect for promoting businesses, events, and campaigns. Whether you are a designer seeking fresh ideas or someone who wants to understand the design process, you are in the right place. I will guide you to step by step through creating a banner that's eye-catching, informative, and impactful. By the end of this video, you will have all the tips you need to design a roll-up banner that stands out. Let's get started. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. After create a page for a roll-up banner design, go to the element and search for a shape. First, search the frame. Type hexagon frame. Let's take this frame and adjust it like this on the left corner. Delete the shape. And now again go to the shape and take this or take this shape. This is also a hexagon shape. Make it a bigger and adjust it all over the half page. Then from the shape, let's take this rectangle shape and place it behind the frame. And now for the frame, let's search for a corporate man. No, not for the frame. Let's adjust it here behind the shape. Now let's search a picture for some design. Now adjust the color on the frame. Keep the transparency low, and now for the shape, give it a border in white. Now take a text box and type business. Change the font in Anton. From the effect, give it a outline and take another text box, small text box, and type annual. Give the shape color in black. Now take another text box and type the conference. For the conference, give it a handwriting font. Let's search another font. Go to the element and search for a calendar icon. Let's take this icon and take a text box and type the date and time. Go to the element and take a line. Adjust it of the middle of the date and the time. Give a little bit effect in the picture. Now let's search for a bottom border. Let's take this bottom border and adjust it on the bottom. Make it a copy and adjust it like this. Take a text box and type our speakers. Change the color of the speakers. Take the line and adjust it under the speakers. Take a text box and paste the dummy text. Adjust the text and the dummy text together. Go to the element and search for a frame. Let's take this round frame. Take a text box and type the name. Change the font style. Paste the dummy text. Now repeat the process for the others frame. Select the frames and give it a border in white. Now go to the element and search for a picture for the frames. Adjust the picture with the frames. Now let's change the theme. Place the picture on the right side and adjust the text according to the pictures. Take a text box and type the text. Go to the position and make it a 90 degree and adjust it here and make it a design like this. Change the color. Go to the element and let's search for a bottom border. Let's take this box shape and adjust it on the left corner. Delete the others and keep it and change the color. Take a rectangle shape and adjust it with the bottom shape. Move this little bit. Take a text box and type the text. Change the color in white, change the color of the text. Now go to the image and search for a phone icon. Let's take this icon and change the color. Take a text box and type the phone number. Adjust the text under the bottom of the page. Let's search a QR code. Adjust the QR code on the right side. Take a rectangle shape and adjust it behind the QR code. Now adjust the QR code and the rectangle shape together. Now search a triangle and adjust the triangle like this. Take a dot line, adjust the dot line also. Change the color in blue shade. Don't change the color of this yellow. So here it is, a roll-up banner design for a business conference. If you need this kind of design or any other custom design you have, like flyer design, brochure design, logo design, presentation design, annual card or presentation, you can contact with us. Our contact details in attached in our description box. Thank you for watching. Stay with INS Creations Ltd.